Hi, I'm Matt, and welcome to the first ever video newsletter by thevirtualinstructor.com. This is a brand new format of sharing what's new on the site with you. If you like this format, you can let me know by liking it on Facebook or by leaving a comment below. Now, let's take a look at some of the new videos and articles that have been added to the site. Learn how to paint a hummingbird using gouache in this free video tutorial. Gouache is opaque watercolor paint, so its properties allow it to fall somewhere between watercolor paint and acrylic paint. It can be thinned out like watercolor paint and applied in washes, but it can also be layered much like acrylic paint. A link to this video tutorial, including a photo reference, is provided below. Learn how to draw a colored pencil portrait in this hour-long recorded live lesson. This video is for members only. Not a member? You can watch the excerpts for free. Links to both of these videos are also provided below. Video 4 in the Pastel Landscape Mastery video series is now available for members. In this video, we take a look at drawing trees in the landscape. We look at drawing trees that are far off in the distance, in the middle ground, and in the foreground. We use a variety of different forms of pastel in this video, including soft pastels, new pastel, and pastel pencils. A link to this video is provided below. Learn how to draw rocks by breaking them down into simple and easy to draw shapes, and then learn how to add value to create the illusion of texture. This video is a recorded 1-hour live lesson for members. If you're not a member, I've also provided excerpts for you to watch for free. A link to both of these videos is provided below. Watercolor pencils are a unique medium that allow you to enjoy the benefits of drawing and painting. In this 1-hour recorded live lesson, we take a look at using watercolor pencils to create a painting of an iris. In this video, we work on watercolor paper with a variety of different water-soluble colored media, including watercolor pencils and watercolor crayons. Learn how easy it is to draw one of the most difficult things in the world to draw, the human hand. In this 1-hour recorded live lesson, we take a look at drawing hands in different positions. Each photo reference gets progressively more difficult, but in this video you'll see that when you break the hand down in the shapes, drawing hands in any position can be easy. There are also 3 new articles that have been added to the blog. The first is 5 reasons that you can't draw. Now that sounds pretty harsh, but basically I believe that everyone can draw. And there are 5 things that I think really hold people back. In this article, we take a look at those 5 things and how you can overcome them. The second article that I'd like to share with you is about creating an environment for learning and teaching art. The environment that you learn and teach art in is very important to your overall success. Are you creating a good environment for learning how to create art? Another article added to the blog is about seeing as an artist. Artists see the world as lines, shapes, colors, and textures, and they know how to take that information and put it on their surface. Do you see the world as an artist? Thank you for taking a look at the video newsletter. I hope the articles and videos presented to you will help you out. Remember, you can connect with us on Facebook at facebook.com/thevirtualinstructor.com, or you can contact me at contact@thevirtualinstructor.com. Until next time, enjoy life and enjoy making art.